Hello there, Aries, Taurus Cusp. Welcome to my channel. I am TErickaLove, y'all. How are you all doing, Aries, Taurus Cusp? I am so excited about these messages here. I'm going to get some advice for you all for Valentine's Day, all right? I was sitting here and I'm like, let's see. What's the next reading do I want to do? And I'm like, ooh, let's get some advice for Valentine's Day. So these here should be fun, I feel like, and hopefully they will be helpful. Aries, Taurus Cusp, you all are first. Okay, hold on, y'all. Okay, Aries, Taurus Cusp. So we're back. All right. Yeah, as I was saying, you all will be the first ones to get your messages here, your advice on Valentine's Day. Okay. Please know that these will be general messages, Aries, Taurus Cusp. They may or may not resonate with all of you beautiful individuals. If you find the messages here that resonate, please feel free to take them with you. If you find these messages here helpful, then that is going to be great for me, but if you find messages here that will not be helpful and it does not resonate, then leave them here on the table to allow someone to pick them up that they will resonate with. Okay. All right, so with here these wild thoughts, Aries, Taurus Cusp, we're going to get your theme song here for Valentine's Day. All right, I am going to, after the video, send a link, put a link in the description box of the song, okay, for you all. All right, so your theme song here for Valentine's Day, sending chills up and down your spine, juice flowing down your thighs here. This is number 35, so let's see, that is Genuine Pony here, okay? So that's your theme song, Aries, Taurus Cusp. All right. Don't be riding too many ponies. Okay. Well, you can ride a pony, but make sure you ride it like very well. Okay. All right. Let's get some advice for you all, Aries, Taurus Cusp. Advice for you all on Valentine's Day. What advice do we have for Aries, Taurus Cusp on Valentine's Day? All right. So there are some things that you have to release here. You got radical acceptance and surrender can help you let go. Oh, so if I go into my, naughty mind, I am getting here that some of you all will be releasing maybe built up stress here. Okay, so get ready for the releaser. Okay, all right. You have repression here. So I don't know, on Valentine's Day or, leading up to it, the person might not express how they truly feel to you. So don't take that too personal, all right? And you have, let's see, I don't want this one here because that's not, we want positive messages here, advice for Aries, Taurus Cusp. All right, you got second chance here. So someone is going to be coming in for a second chance here. But this one said rejection, y'all. I don't know if you're going to reject this person. You could be rejecting someone on Valentine's Day. I don't know here. Maybe rejecting some advances here, okay? Because the person just won't you ride the pony. I don't know, Aries, Taurus Cusp. Let's get you all some more advice. Let's get some more advice here. All right, you got moving on. Thank you. Next here. So for some of you all, it could be, going in for some quickies here on Valentine's Day. All right. All right. Somebody that maybe be coming to you or coming towards you. Could be having flashbacks or of some, things that happened between you all before or leading up to Valentine's Day. Here, it could be someone from your past that is hoping to come around. They're hoping for a second chance here. I'm getting, you're going to be unfazed here by this individual here. If it's not the one that you're wanting to come towards you, then you're going to be unfazed here, okay? I don't know. This person that's coming towards you could be a bit intimidating, maybe very. You want to make sure there's no threatening type of behavior going on. You know, can nobody force you to do nothing that you don't want to do, Aries, Taurus, Cusp. Or let's make sure that that everything is mutual here between you and your person. Okay. All right. Now let's see. Maybe for some, you could be traumatized by what happened to you all in the past. You know, around Valentine's Day. So you kind of afraid to kind of open up, and if someone do come in, it's gonna be, you know, like a quick in and out. But let's see, let's get some more advice here for Aries, Taurus, cuz okay, so you could be in some type of illusion here. I'm trying to figure out what is reality, what is fantasy. Maybe I'm getting there. Don't drink so much, Aries, Taurus, Cusp. Okay, let's just tone it down a bit here. All right, for some of you all, you got soulmate here. So, you're going to be connecting here with your soulmate, but someone here has some trust issues. All right, so let's not allow the trust issues to interfere with the fun and the joy that you all are going to be having or should be having. Okay. All right. And you got proposal here. So the advice for you on Valentine's Day, you got that proposal. So someone is going to probably propose something to you. Maybe propose a night of passion and fun here. All right. I don't know. Someone could be proposing the need to want to be in a relationship here. This person could have some trust issues, but they see you as their soulmate here. And I don't know, Aries, Taurus, Cusp, but these are your messages, your advice for Valentine's Day. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. Hopefully they will be helpful, and I will see you all next time. I salute the divinity in you all. I am sending you all so much love, so much light, so much positivity. See you all next time. Bye.